Welcome to JH. In this guide, we are going to show you exactly how to modify the time zone settings within your Facebook Ads Manager account. This is a critical step for advertisers managing campaigns in different parts of the world, as it ensures your ads reach your audience at the perfect time. By following these clear steps, you will be able to update your regional settings without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Facebook Ads Manager site. You can easily locate this by performing a quick search on Google and clicking the very first link that appears. This link brings you to the primary interface for all your advertising needs. Once the page loads, find the Go to Ads Manager button and click it. If you are prompted, enter the email address and password for your Facebook account and hit the Login button to gain access. Once you are logged in, navigate directly to your campaign's dashboard. This serves as your main control center where you can find the necessary tools to update your account details. From the side or main menu, locate the Billing and Payment section. Clicking this will take you to the financial and administrative settings of your account. Within the Billing menu, look for the Payment Settings option. After clicking that, scroll down the page until you see the section titled Business Info. This specific area allows you to adjust your regional preferences. Look for the Edit button and click it to move forward. Now, inside the Edit screen, focus on the section for currency and time zone. Here, you can browse the list of available regions and select the one that best fits your current campaign needs. If you are running ads in multiple locations, choose the zone that matches your primary target market. After selecting the correct time zone, click the Save button to finalize the process. This ensures your new settings are active for all upcoming advertisements. Changing your time zone in Facebook Ads Manager is a simple yet vital process for optimizing your ad delivery. Ensuring your content appears at the right time can have a major impact on your engagement levels and the overall success of your marketing. We hope you found these instructions helpful for managing your Facebook ads more effectively. Thank you for watching.